Hi guys, it's another day. We have a shiny car. Oh, sounds like my neighbour's just arrived. Yeah, we have a shiny car from yesterday's video. Well, yesterday to me, I'm not sure if it's yesterday to you. Today we are replacing the heater matrix in Zippy because it's not very warm, and that's the only thing I can think of really now that's left to do, because the pipes get really hot. Even though the matrix flows freely, it doesn't get that hot. So yeah, we're going to be routing through one of them boxes at the back, finding the heater, taking the matrix out of that and putting it in here, because I know that matrix was absolutely amazing. It was boiling hot. So yeah, we've just got to wait for the engine to cool down so we can take off the pipes to the heater without scalding ourselves and everything. So yeah, we're just going to do a couple of other bits in the meantime, finish sealing that door up or whatever. So yeah, let's I won't show you the door bit, I'll just crack on with the heater. So yeah, we'll be back soon. Oh, one more thing, I've got some stickers from the local club to go on my windows. I don't know exactly where I'm going to put them, maybe over there, I don't know. I don't want to cover up those numbers actually, so I think I'll put them there. Or do I don't know. Yeah, maybe over there, I don't know. It's a hard choice. We'll do that as well. Okay, so we're in the car, it's all cooled down, and we're going to take the heater out. So, you'll see there is a screw just there. If we undo that, the whole unit will drop down. We'll pull these pipes off, like so, and we'll just undo that screw now. Let's do that, I'll show you what happens. We'll undo this power connector off the back of the switch as well. There we go. There we go, so then the whole unit just drops down. So it then lifts off its little mounts at the back, like that. Sorry about the shaky camera, I'm sure. There we go. So that's now off, dangling around. That way. So now what we need to do is literally just disconnect these pipes here off the side of the matrix. So we'll need a bucket in here to do that, and then all else that we have to do is go around the outside, and all these little screws all around this side of the matrix where the pipes come out all have to be taken out, and then the side panel just comes off. I'll show you when we're done heater. So here's the heater we're taking the matrix out of. So yeah, you'll see there's the inside of it, and the side panel is here. So basically, yeah, that just fits over the side panel. All the screws holding it on come out, and then here is the matrix. Now this was a new matrix in the other car, so it's in good condition. My last one that was in this car was very rusty, so I imagine this one will be the same. So yeah, let's go and take this one out. Now I've told you what to do, I'll just time-lapse the rest of it. Okay, so here is an original matrix compared to a new one. It's quite a difference in the design of them. Yeah, the fin density of the this new one, I don't know how well you can see that, but it's a much tighter, much higher fin density than this one. There's a lot more packed into one space, which will definitely help with making even more heat, which will be why this heater that was in the project was so good compared to this, because yeah, I did replace this. This is a new one that I put in there a few years ago. So yeah, it's definitely going to get replaced, is this one, but there's nothing really wrong with it, so it's just not anywhere near as efficient, that's all, because of its design. So yeah, I'm going to swap it out for this one anyway, pop it in, and hopefully we'll have a nice hot car now. So yeah, sorry I didn't time-lapse me taking the heater apart and out of the car, but I just couldn't get a good camera angle on it, and it was dark, and yeah, you get the point. So yeah, I'm just going to put this back together in reverse order. I'll probably do time-lapse to that because I can reassemble the units on the floor, so yeah, let's crack on with that. Okay, so I've got the heater unit reassembled. There was a screw missing before, so there's still a screw missing now. So yeah, new matrix is in. Old one is on here. So yeah, let's get it back in. Oh, and these front plates, both of these have wobbled. The one on this heater and on the one out the project. And I've just figured out how you can stop them rattling. They're actually clips on at the back here. You see that little tab there? Yeah, there's one of those each side of where that slot is. And that is how these front fascias are actually clicked on. So if your fascia just rattles around like that, that is how you fix it. I'm so glad I finally found out, because that's been the cause of many hours of annoyance. So yeah, let's get this heater back in the car. That was a big bang, I'm sorry. Yeah, let's get this heater matrix back in the car, and hopefully it'll be nice and warm. Again, probably not going to record me putting it in, because it's just a faff. So yeah, let's go put that in, and then I'll update you guys. Okay, so we've just bled through the system again, so run the engine without the radiator cap on until all the air's come out, and oh, the heater is lovely and hot now, absolutely fantastic. So yeah, all I've got to do is screw it back up. Oh, you can see, good. Screw it back up as it's dangling around on the floor, and yeah, we're done. Definitely very pleased that I swapped that matrix out, because now it's not going to be freezing on the drive down to Bingley. Very good. So yeah, that's all for this video. May have been helpful for you, I hope. So yeah, we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.